Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Poetic Hair Hustle. I just want to let y'all know alopecia is just a condition. No matter what type of alopecia you have, I can just cover up anything, You're tired of wearing laces, you're tired of wearing wigs, you want to give your scalp a break, you haven't worn braids in years, or you just want to give braids a try. This video just look at that. Braids so sexy. Just watch me create. It's an illusion. Create something that is not there. You'll see. Boom, the final look. Ladies, get into it. I love you all. Thank you for watching. And I see y'all in the comments. Be nice. Don't let alopecia define you. You are beautiful. Have a good day.